Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and after a long time we are into unboxing and review for a phone, and this is best ever flagship phone from Realme, which has got a big screen, better cameras, and it has got a 5G support, which is mandatory nowadays because we are moving into 5G support phones, most of them. This is a good looking stylish phone, you could say. Why I'm saying this phone is as the best ever Realme's flagship phone is because a few of them are really good, but they doesn't have AMOLED screen, neither some doesn't have like 5G support. This has got everything, like everything. You know what phone it is? It's Realme X50 Pro. We have got this under just 25,000. I want to unbox this and will let you know why this is Realme's best ever flagship phone. Now let's look at the processor. It's a Snapdragon 865 processor and it has got 65 watts super dart charging, and you could see it's a 90 Hz super AMOLED display, and it is made in India. Nowadays made in India is mandatory to purchase any product, and this is my best part to cut the edges and unbox the product. So let's see quickly what we have got inside this super killer. So here we go. Hey, welcome to the Realme family. Realme, and obviously there would be a transparent pouch in this. Is it what? Yes, it is a transparent pouch. What you get in every phone, like any flagship phone around 25 to any budget, it would definitely get a transparent case nowadays. So super twist and has a bumpers on the edges, so it's super good quality pouch you could expect. And let's keep all this aside, and this is the phone. Look at the screen, it is 6.44 inches screen. Let's keep it aside, we'll have a look at this afterwards. And next comes is nothing, it's just a card. Keep it aside. Here comes the 65 watt super dart charger adapter, which is having USB port, not the C port like from Samsung and OnePlus. So it's a super dart charger 65 watts adapter with USB port. And here comes a cable, which is USB to C obviously, and super good quality with 1.2 meters I guess. And this is what all we got. Let's keep it aside. This is a sim ejector pin. It's mandatory to unlock your sims, and now it's time to unbox the phone, take off the wrapper, and let's see how it looks like actually. Let me peel off this wrapper and see. It's a 6.44 inch full AMOLED screen display which has got 16.7 million color support and looks stylish and glossy. You could see there are 4 cameras, which is 64, 12MP, 4MP and 2MP on the rear side, and you could see the glossy finish of the phone, which is premium, right? Looks really good premium quality phone from the Realme. And you have got curved panels on the side one, which is really good, and you have 2 cameras in the front which are able to take the any low light photos at super good quality. And here comes a power button which is of super good quality too, and no compromise on quality. It is a flagship killer from Realme, and old classic ports which are of volume rockers and all. So this is basically the same kind of setup what you would see in X2 Pro, X3 Pro and all, but the look is really different. It gives a really good premium look. And let's check the Geekbench scores and what are the specifications we have in this. Now just quickly look at the specifications of this phone. It is Realme X50 Pro 5G, as you know already. It is not 4G phone, it's a 5G phone, which is Realme UI version 2.0 and comes with the Android 11 inbuilt, which is of 865 octa-core processor from Snapdragon. You could know what kind of beast it is when it comes to game like PUBG, BGMI and Call of Duty. Without any lag you could play with this phone, and it has 8GB RAM in it and the storage is 128GB, so good amount of storage we have got with this. So it is overall a complete package flagship killer comes to the specification, but we need to check the Geekbench scores for sure. So here we go, this is a Geekbench setup, and we are going to click on run CPU benchmarks. So it will take few minutes to get a score for this Realme, but meanwhile I would like to say few of them would ask why it is a best flagship killer from Realme, why not X2 Pro or X3 Pro. I would let you know, like X2 Pro has got a really good AMOLED screen and its a single core is top level compared to any phone in the Realme, but it doesn't have that 5G support in it. There is also a X3 Pro which is super good, but there is no AMOLED screen in that. So it's the reason we have uh, declared that X50 Pro is the best of all the flagships which Realme has. So my choice is X50 Pro for sure, and most of the YouTubers also use this phone personally. Not only me, who is saying this is a best flagship killer. A lot of YouTubers are confirmed this is a best flagship killer from Realme. So this is what I feel, and whatever comments, let me know in the comment section. I would definitely reply to that. Now let's skip this and go to the results. So here are the scores. You could see single core is 893 single score and multi core is like 2990. Let me compare with these other phones. Let me go through the setup things. Yep. Coming to the single core, you could see the competitive Samsung Galaxy S21 is 960, which is higher, and Samsung Galaxy S21 5G 926, which is also higher. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, which is also higher than this Realme. Okay, and OnePlus 8 Pro 867, which is less, which is less than this Realme X50 Pro on single core. Let me go through the multi-core now. Samsung Galaxy S21 got 3176. Ultra is next level phone, and coming to the S21 3113, and 8 Pro is 3092. So you could see single core it's better than OnePlus 8 Pro, but multi-core it's not that level high compared to the 8 Pro. So overall it's a decent score, not a bad one. Anything around 3000 is good. It is just 2919, which is less than 80 points, so overall it is a good phone on multi-score too. Just 25,000 what I got. It's actually 30,000 what you will get in this Independence Day offer. So overall on this 30,000 price point, whatever the benchmark scores you are getting and whatever the gameplay this chipset can perform is top notch. So overall I would consider this phone as a best phone from the Realme flagship killers, and this is my opinion, and this is the final review of this phone. You would definitely see a camera review from my side. If you want anything else from this phone, let me know through the comment section. I will definitely try to do that video, and hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do share, like, and hit subscribe if you are new. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye. See you again.